Hi everyone, it's Tiara. I'm back again with some more insurance tips. So I want to talk a little bit about your premium, how much you pay every month for your insurance, how they run your quotes, and all of that. So a lot of people, when they get into accidents, are very confused by the fact that if it's a non-fault accident, that sometimes their insurance premiums will still increase. The one thing that a lot of people don't realize or understand about car insurance is there are many factors that go into what your premium is, what your quote is. Things like that include where you live, your credit score, your credit history, and also what is the risk of insuring you? That is the biggest thing. So if you have a non-fault accident sometimes, and especially if you are at fault for an accident, you can expect those premiums to go up, way up, because insurance companies give you a quote based on what is the risk of you getting into an accident that we may have to pay for. So let's say, for example, I work in the Atlanta area. If you live in Atlanta, your insurance is going to be a lot higher for the same vehicle versus if you lived in a small town in, I don't know, Idaho or Kentucky or Missouri or something like a small town, a remote area where there's not as much heavy traffic and there's not a lot of accidents. If you know anything about Atlanta, the traffic is really bad. It's very heavily populated. There are a lot of expensive cars that people drive. And so those are some of the factors that go into how much your quote is going to be or how much your monthly payment is going to be. So I want to stress the importance of, no matter where you live, paying attention to how you're driving. Defensive driving is not just looking out for other people, but it's really paying attention. And that's why you shouldn't be distracted by your phones or other things as much as possible. Look around you, try to anticipate as much as possible what other people are doing around you. You can almost tell sometimes when someone's getting ready to change lanes, or if someone might be able to cut you off. Like I mentioned in a previous video, before you go ahead at a green light, pause for a second and look both directions. Make sure no one's getting ready to run that red light, because I know some accidents are completely unavoidable, but as much as you can be a part of avoiding that accident, that is going to help your insurance rates. If you have any other questions about any of that, please leave a comment below. Share this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.